At Northern Brewer, we sell 3 different burners: the Darkstar 2.0, the Darkstar Stainless, and the Edelmetal. Your choice depends entirely upon what you prioritize: price, quality, or striking a balance between the two. For the brewer on a budget, the Darkstar 2.0 is the way to go. It's our cheapest option available, but it doesn't sacrifice capability. Specially designed by our brewing experts, this is a perfect baseline introductory burner. If you prefer top-shelf tech, the Edelmetal wins every time. Its frame supports up to 30 gallons, and it's loaded with enough brewing horsepower to handle even your heftiest batches. Finally, if you're shooting right down the middle, Darkstar Stainless strikes the ideal balance between high-quality tech and affordable prices. Its sleek, stainless frame provides long-lasting durability and can heat batches of up to 15 gallons. That's 3 whole kegs! Truth be told, you can't go wrong with a single one of these burners. The choice is up to you.